I'm going to have 2 videos kind of back to back. They might be on separate days, but they both are showcasing the Build a Cabin die from Fawn, which I did get from the Not Too Shabby shop. I love this die. I totally can see this being used for all occasions. I mean, I love all the build-a whatever. But I mean, build a pumpkin, build an acorn. They're kind of very fall-ish. So what's really nice about the cabin is it can be used for winter, spring, summer, fall, whatever, and it is adorable. So in this video, I used Not Too Shabby shop stamps, but in the other one, I believe I used a couple different companies just to kind of show you different ways you can use it. And so let's see, I used the Build a Cabin die. So, I mean, I do have very specific things, but, I've got so much stuff. I mean, I have crafting stuff for days. I could be holed up in here for a year and not run out of things to do. Absolutely. So I really try to find things that are a little bit more versatile. I'm trying to be, try to anyways. And this one's very versatile. So, and I got the cute little, this guy I used on my other Build a Card. It's really, really adorable. So the 2 papers that I used is, I used some paper from this one. This is the Doodlebug Made with Love, because it kind of went with this paper, which is the Arctic Winter, which is like my new favorite paper. And usually I would just jam through the paper and just make tons of projects, but I've been kind of inching through it because I really do like it a lot. So I've been kind of inching through that paper. I'm using this one I got last year, and I don't think I even used it from the Not Too Shabby shop, and it's called Winter Friends, and I use this cute little bunny. And then I used the December, which I hardly even got to use, but what's great is it is just a very versatile stamp and die, is the Not Too Shabby Sweethearts. So I think you can use this through all the seasons, fall, winter, spring, summer. I think it's a very versatile stamp set. So I used this one, 2 stamps out of this one. So let me show you. I made 3 slimline cards. So I did it in white. See how cute? It says, "You melt my heart," and I used a little snow girl. And anyone who's watched my channel knows I hate all the tiny, tiny little pieces. This one was not bad in terms of putting it together. It was not bad at all, because the main house is just 2 pieces. It's the roof and the cabin, and then that's it. I mean, you could, if you wanted to, and I guess the chimney, but the chimney's kind of optional. These pieces were small, but they weren't terrible. I kind of kept them together so it makes it easier to cut or not lose the little light bulb. This one might be a little bit of a pita, but it wasn't bad. It wasn't a bazillion little pieces. So I did this one. And then the other slim line I did in white is this one right here with a cute little bunny. It says "Warm Winter Wishes." And I stamped love right here. And I just really, really like how that came out. So there's that one. And then this one has a completely different color palette. This one is more springy, and it says "Buzzing by to say hi." And I use this cute little bear, and he's holding a sign, and I stamped in the sign a sweet. I don't know if you can see that. Stamped a sweet. And what's really nice about this die is it does this intricate bee cut, which I love, because there's no way that you could do that by hand. I mean, really, really no way. And I used another new die from Fawn, which is their heart border die. So I used that die right there as well. And I just think it's adorable. So I did these 3 cards. And I think they're really fun. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crane at the Heart.